Good morning, world. Good morning, Facebookers. Good morning, people. Permaculturalists, gardeners, landscapers, organic vegetable freaks. Whatever your label, check it out. We have all kinds of water issues in the front of our property. I don't know if you can see it real well. Let's take a look. Because we have built this drive down into our property, water likes to make its way right into the front of our house. Give you an idea, that's a 2 or 3 degree slope probably. And this area in here is a swamp when it rains. We had 2 inches the other day and it was pretty crazy. So what I'm planning on doing, what I'm trying to do, what I'm in the process of doing is turning this into a rain garden. I'm going to sink it about 2 feet. I may employ some hugelkultur principles and use these logs that Mother Nature left us when the Hurricane Irma rolled through last year, about a year ago. I'm also going to mulch this area up here heavily, and I'm not sure exactly how. Wood chips, gravel, I'm not sure completely. Because as we humans do, we create paths, whether they're paved, whether they're unpaved, whether they're rocked or not. And we create creeks. We create waterways. And then we wonder why we have erosion problems. So I'm trying to rectify that somewhat. This water garden, this rain garden, it's water garden probably as well. I think I'm going to put some edible elderberries, spice bush, maybe asparagus, for sure strawberries, and then some other native grasses and plants that have their roots wet, that can handle that type of onslaught of water. Alright, the way I built this, or I'm trying to build this, I'm using a rudimentary, crude kind of level that they call an A-frame. And this one's a little small, but it's the wood I had available to me. And what you do is you try to find an area where the elevations are the same points, and then I would simply drop stakes in. I built this, I found a level spot. In my case, it was where I built a woodshed. I used the flooring. I made sure with the standard construction level. Put a mark in the middle where it's completely level. And then as you can see, you'll see what areas are level. You can see you have a slope, etc., etc. So that's how that works. Sorry about that. Reason being is I want the end wall, the downhill part, to be level. I want all the points here to be on the same elevation, so when the water fills in, it fills in evenly, gets absorbed, similar to how a natural environment, a rainforest, would absorb the water. So that's what I'm trying to do there. Hopefully this video wasn't too horrendous, and that'll be helpful information for you. See y'all, would-be farmers, signing off.